Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, struggling to get into tight spaces and leaving your back aching after a long cleaning session? I've got the solution for you, the Oreck Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer in the world of cleaning. This incredibly lightweight and portable vacuum makes it easy to clean from floor to ceiling, and with its convenient design, you can either carry it or wear it over your shoulder for effortless maneuverability. The Oreck Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner is also remarkably well reviewed, with thousands of satisfied customers who swear by its power and versatility. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its ability to tackle messes with ease, thanks to its flexible hose, telescopic wand, and convenient onboard tools. The HEPA inner bag combined with an AirClean filter effectively captures particles like pollen, dirt, smoke, pet dander, and spores, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. I love how the vacuum glides smoothly across my floors, picking up dirt and debris with a gentle humming sound, and the telescopic wand allows me to reach those hard-to-reach areas like ceiling fans and crown molding with ease. The vacuum also doubles as a blower, providing powerful and efficient cleaning for every corner and surface, and the compact design makes it easy to store in small spaces. I've used the Oreck Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner to clean my entire home, from the dusty living room to the pet hair-covered stairs, and it's been a breeze. The 20-foot power cord gives me plenty of room to move around without having to constantly switch outlets, and the 5.5-pound design makes it easy to carry from room to room. With its whole home cleaning capabilities and easy maintenance, this vacuum is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Whether you're a busy homeowner or a cleaning enthusiast, the Oreck Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner is definitely worth considering, so why if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.